Okay, so I was getting really worried about my cockatiel Pebbles. She was doing this funny breathing motion, and I thought that maybe she couldn't breathe properly or she had something stuck in her throat. After doing some research and speaking to someone who knows a lot about birds, I have found out that it's nothing to worry about. When they're doing this motion here, it's really they're just trying to clean their gullet, and yeah, I've been assured that there is nothing at all to worry about. So if you see your cockatiels doing this, don't panic. I mean, of course, if you're worried, take it to a vet, but she's fine. This happened about 5 days ago, and she's doing just fine now. In fact, we've seen the other cockatiel doing it since. So, yeah, just to reassure you, there's nothing wrong. Yeah, so just always make sure they have fresh water, of course. Yeah, but she's happy. In fact, I have another video to follow this one, and you'll see just how happy she is. Okay, guys, so stay tuned for that. Well, my little baby.